everyone, welcome to GK Updates. Let's start our interesting session. First one is Secure Project is an initiative of which country? The answer is the United Kingdom. Here are some interesting facts about this project are a new project called Sea Secure has begun he on his south coast of England to remove carbon dioxide from the sea. The Sea Cure project is an initiative of the United Kingdom government. The Sea Cure project is testing if taking carbon directly from seawater can be a low cost and large scale way to cut down carbon dioxide from the air. This method is different from usual carbon capture techniques that focus on an emission of their source or pull carbon dioxide from the air. Secure targets the ocean where carbon levels are up to 150 times higher than the atmosphere. Second one is Vambanad Lake that was recently seen in news is located in which state? The answer is Kerala. Here are some interesting facts about this lake are the Vambanad Lake regeneration project led by the Alpa Bhuj district administration is inspired by the Namami Gange program for river conservation. A 5-year plan worth rupees 188.25 crores has been submitted to the Chief Minister of Kerala and may be revised based on studies by the Center of Water Resources Development and Management, in short, CWRDM. Vambanad Lake is the longest lake in India and the largest in Kerala, stretching about 96.5 kilometers. It spreads across Alpa-Pooja, Kottayam, and Ernakulam districts, covering around 2033 square kilometers. The lake is known by names like Vambanad Kayal, Punnamada Lake and Kochi Lake in different regions. It receives water from six rivers including Minachil, Achankovle, Pamba and Manimala and drains into the Arabian Sea. The third one is which is the nodal ministry for the National Medical Register, in short NMR, a centralized digital database? The answer is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Here are some interesting facts about this are less than 1% doctors in India have registered with the National Medical Register 8 months after its launch. National Medical Register is a centralized digital database that includes all licensed allopathic MBBS doctors in India. It was launched in August 2024. Unclear Section 31 of the National Medical Commission NMC Act 2019. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India is the nodal ministry for the NMR. The NMR aims to create a comprehensive registry of all allopathic doctors in India, ensuring transparency and accountability in the medical field. It also enhances public trust, helps in cardinical verification, and aids in policy planning for healthcare. Fourth one is which states is the host of 28th National Conference on E-Governments, that is NCEG? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Here are some interesting facts about this national conference. Are the 20th National Conference on E-Governments will take place on June 9-10 in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. The theme of the two-day conference is uh, Viksit Bharat. The theme is Viksit Bharat, Civil Service and Digital Transformation. It will include 6 plenary sections and 6 breakout sections. The event is jointly organized by the Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Governments, in short DARPG, and the Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology, MITY, with Andhra Pradesh collaboration. The conference will discuss strategies to enhance public service quality and promote minimum government, maximum governments. National E-Government Awards NAEG 2025 will be conferred and notable leaders will participate, including Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister. The fifth one is the European Red Admiral Butterfly Vensa Atlanta was recently spotted in which Indian state? The answer is Himachal Pradesh. Here are some interesting facts about this Is butterfly. The European red admiral butterfly, scientifically called Vensa Atlanta, has been recorded for the first time in India near Dharamshala, Himachal Pradesh. This rare sighting was confirmed during a butterfly survey at Tatarna Hill in the Dhuladhar mountain range at an altitude of 2,500 meters. The observation was verified by Himalayan butterfly expert Lovish Garlian from the Himachal Pradesh Forest Department. This raises the total number of butterfly species in Himachal Pradesh to 440, highlighting the region's rich biodiversity. The species is known for long migrations across Europe and North America and was last seen in South Asia in 2022 in Pakistan after a 93 years gap. It has no confirmed records from China, Mongolia, or Afghanistan, making its presence in India a scientific eastward range expansion. This is all in this session. For more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you uh, give me some comments, it is workful for me. Thank you.